Dear students, today let us continue with the 11th lesson, our non-material heritage. Okay, in this lesson, let us learn some of the oral traditions. That is, first one, let us learn about puberty. P-U-B-P-P-E-R-T-Y, puberty. Here, puberty means what here? Puberty means it is an important form of old tradition and it has different forms in India. And the themes of puppets show are stories of kings, heroes, episodes from Ramayana and Mahabharata, folk tales, Jataka tales and everyday life of the local people. And some of the prominent puppet forms are string puppets, shadow puppets and glow puppets. The puppets are colorful, decorated with different types of cloth materials and ornaments. And their costumes are typical of the local area they perform in or originate from. Means here puppetry. Puppetry means it is one of the puppet show. We call it as a puppet show. While performing a puppet show, in puppet show only there are again different types are there. So what are those different types are there means here? See here, some they perform only a string puppets. We call it as a string puppet. So for what you call it as a string puppet? String puppet means for a what you call it as they tie a thread. They tie a thread for the ideals and then they for the puppets. Puppets ki thread to tie chestar string la kala. So that is like a string. We actually call it as a string and with that they make some movements for the puppets and with that movements only they explain the stories. They explain the stories like king's stories, it may be a king's stories, hero stories or some of the episodes or some of the episodes from Ramayana. Ante Ramayana mottam Ramayana kadu Ramayana konchemu chustaranamata. A part from the Ramayana, Mahabharata and some of the folk tales and some of the Jataka tales. Like this they perform some of the stories with the puppets. And the puppets are colorfully decorated. How the puppets are? The puppets are colorfully decorated with different types of cloth materials and ornaments. Okay, now let us learn about string puppets. String puppets. So what is this string puppets here? String puppets are made of cloth stuffed with cotton wraps. Strings are attached to all parts of the puppets and are pulled or released by a person sitting behind the curtain. And the string puppets have different names in different states like Kathaputty in Rajasthan, Gopalila in Rajasthan and Putala Nachi in Assam, etc. Means what they do here actually here the puppets they are made up of a cloth here. After making with the cloth, strings are tied for the puppets. After tying the strings, just I'll show you in the textbook. See here how the puppets are. See here it is decorated colorfully with the cloths here. So after decorating, they tie the puppets with the string. These we call it as a puppets. These are made up of a cloth. After making of a cloth, what they do? They decorate it nicely. After decorating it, they tie it with the string and the person is sitting behind the curtain is going to move this along with the string and will explain the story. Is going to explain some of the stories through this string puppets. So like this, not only this, here string puppets in different states it is called by the different names. And okkoka state lo okkoka pair tho pilustaranamata. It is called by the different names. Like string puppets are different names in different states like Kathaputli in Rajasthan, Gopalila in Rajasthan and Putala Nachi in Assam, etc. Like this it is called by different name in different states.